Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy pocket shawl. So let's get started. I made this shawl with homespun, thick and quick, and you'll need 2 balls, and 2 balls is enough to make any size up to plus size. And if you can't find this yarn, you could work with 3 strands of worsted weight yarn. 1, 2, 3. So 3 strands are equivalent to this thick and quick homespun. And I worked with a 12mm hook, but you can use any large hook that you have on hand. You're going to start with a slip knot and work a chain that is as long as you would like your shawl to be. So after you get your foundation chain worked, in the second stitch from the hook, you're going to make a single crochet. So single crochet in each stitch all the way across your foundation chain. So after you've worked your first row, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Normally you would chain 1 and turn for single crochet, but I'm going to work in the back side of the stitch, and it's going to be a stretchy stitch, so I'm going to chain 2 to begin. Now that takes the place of the first stitch. Now I'm only going to work in the back side of the stitch. I know it's kind of hard to see here, but there's your stitch. So we're only going to work in the back side of the stitch. I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And each row will be exactly the same until you have your shawl as wide as you would like it to be. So at the end of the row, you're going to chain 2 and turn, and work in the back side of the stitch only, single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So you're going to continue to do that until your shawl will stretch from hand to hand. So keep crocheting row after row until you have a long rectangle like this that can be stretched from hand to hand. So approximately 60 to 70 inches long. And then after your shawl is finished, you'll bring these 2 corners in to form this peak at the bottom. And you'll sew this up and attach it also on the shawl. And then you'll be able to put your hand in your pocket from here and it won't flop down. And then you'll make a tassel, and I'll put the link below for how to make a tassel. Attach it on each end. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this pocket shawl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.